Hi guys, it's my evening vlog. I'm welcoming you all. Guys, I hope I am visible to you guys. Yeah, you could see me. I hope little bit थोड़ा आ रहा है थोड़ा काला काला but it's okay because मेरा भाई उस रूम में है. He is just doing a call or having a conversation with his friends about something, and me and my mom is here. So today I received a parcel and I'm gonna talk about that, the parcel which I received. And yes, the parcel is only about the skincare. Everyone knows I'm very regular to my skin, but I'm not I was very regular to my skin, but now I'm not. मैं इतनी regular नहीं हो पा रही हूँ. So I thought I should use something. So I've had a conversation with Dotki, an original website. Could you imagine that? And yeah, I just ordered some things and I make sure कि I wrote मैंने order किया and I just had little bit conversation and उसके अपने सोचा कि मैं उनके सामान के कुछ जो सामान मैं यूज़ कर चुकी हूँ और जो मैं आने वाले चीज़ों में यूज़ करने वाली हूँ उसको मैं आपको बताऊँ. एंड वन मोर थिंग, इन दिस वीडियो ओनली आई एम गोइंग टू give away one of the thing. This is the cooling gel face wash. I'm having two and it's a good, really a good size. I hope you could see. थोड़ा सा ही है but it could see. So I'm thinking to give away. So basically I was thinking to give away to one of my colleagues, but still I'm confused कि she will accept it or not because she's a Aqualogica ka fan. But I have told her कि you should try Dot and Key. So let's see. I hope she gonna like it. And let's go and ahead. So this is one I want to review. This is the Dot Key skincare water cooling gel face wash, which is of course in gel way. I could not use it right now because it's a face wash. If it would be a something else, so I would be using it. The face wash, only the face wash I could not use it, but over everything it's sealed also. You could see that it's sealed up, and it's a good face wash of Dot & Key with a cooling effect. It's like just hydrate your face with a good amount. Those ever have a really oily skin or wanted to do something good in summer or wanted a good face wash, you really should go to Dot & Key and go for this. I really want everyone to have this if you want hydration in your face. Second thing, everyone knows from last 3 of my hauls, I'm ordering this same moisturizer to myself, and I'm currently using that one also. I'm using that and I'm not going to open it now because I'm having it. Just you could see it. So I'm going to tell you how it is. So basically I just had this much and I just like apply it and I'm so chill. Just apply it and there's nothing. You could see like it's so light, it is so light. My lipstick is it's so light I could not tell you. Just I hope it is visible to you, and it is so good, really. You should apply. And yes, I will really suggest everyone to use this moisturizer. If you And I want to mention the things which is very beneficial about this moisturizer. Why should you use it? Because ऐसे तो यूज़ नहीं कर सकते हैं ना, of course सी बात है. So very well. I just from last 3 videos I'm telling everyone कि if you really don't want कि there should be no toner, no serums, so please go for this, because this moisturizer have vitamin C and super bright moisturizer, which is like कि glow up your face. Vitamin C, of course we know that about vitamin C and niacinamide, and but I'm not using any of moisturizer after this because in winters also I use this. I know it's not good to use it, but in summers your face gonna hydrate at that level. Like you like हम सब जानते हैं summers में we are all like drench up in the sweat, and I really want कि भाई हमें drench up नहीं होना है. So please go for this moisturizer, which is really good. मतलब I'm using it from last days, so I have idea. Next item is, I just not opened the seal also. I'm gonna open it and then I'll show. It's a actually I have the this serum, not this serum, this serum for acne and redness, which I sent it to one of my friend, my best friend, because he has a lot amount of acne over his body. I'm saying body and redness around his the cheeks and all that. So I thought I should give it to my best friend, which it's opened. But I'm so struggling with open this lid only. Could you imagine? And it's a really good packaging. Oh my god, I have to appreciate Dot and Key. Please, I cannot move myself while doing this. भाई इतना सही लेवल का पैकेजिंग कैसे कर लेते हो यार आप लोग? Again, welcome the serum. I hope it's don't drop it out. And oh god, I just imagined it just in evening only. Just one of my serum just drop it out and I it spill up. And I was just crying. Bhai, itna महंगा. I'm just doing it now. Then I just collected it. Oh god, I hope. Oh my god, it's not opening also. Oh my god. Oh my god. I have to make sure. Oh please come, mama, mama, kholo usko. No, really, guys, I really loved it. Loved it. Bhai, it's such a water gel serum now. Just apply it, and bhai, लगता ही नहीं कि you're applying serum. I really don't know. It doesn't feel like you're applying something heavy. There's like अपने feeling so light, so light. I could not tell you. So let's talk about the advantages. And basically, of course, I'm using it. So I have a no. That it's my first. It's gonna be my first. But people those who are using it, I just talk about their reviews. So basically, of course, the people have talked about that acne have just vanished, the face and the brightness is all of it. You know, vitamin C just bring your face like this. So of course, it targets dullness, pigmentation, uneven skin tone, early age signs, dark spot and acne scars, which I really have, open pores and free radical damage, which I had. I'm still having because I'm acne prone skin, which I really get up into that things. And it's a 5% niacinamide. Basically, I really don't want it 10% because because I wanted कि अभी just आया है. I'm not using from last 3-4 months, so directly I cannot go for 10. I thought if I just go for 5 and then I go for 10. And the formulated without sulfates, parabens, and all that. You're gonna read about that. There's no alcohols. There's no alcohols, no sulfate here. Fragrances nahi hai, essential oils nahi hai. Please guys, go for it. It's a good, really good thing which will make sure that your everyone knows that serum plays a vital role in your life. And if not serum, then what? And talking about the moisturizer. So talking about the moisturizer, which I had talked about it. I'm gonna close it. Now my third item is the sunscreen. Could I also do the asthma? But I really don't have that nails. That's what I could do. I'm not that good at all. At this point, I'm not good. So from where can I open it? Did I open it before? Because how could it open so suddenly? There is one more undecided, so I was just pushing it out. No, bro. Yes. I'm so happy. So I ordered 8 of my products here, and 4 of my product I had given to my best friend, and 4 of the product I'm gonna use. 4 of the product I didn't going to do the reviews because it's the point is I ordered Chia or Shia. I really am wrong with the pronunciation factor. And I'm gonna say, bhai, Chia ko jo saman hai na, really affects your body, really face body problem. Really affect your face, which is really good. Let's talk about it because I'm talking about vitamin C because हर दूसरा इंसान यूज कर सकता है भाई. इसके जो फैक्टर्स है ना हर दूसरा इंसान यूज करता है बिकॉज हर दूसरा इंसान उसी चीज से डील कर रहा है. हम जल्दी लोग के एक्ने प्रोन नहीं होते हैं. Really, guys, I really loved it. Bhai, such a water gel serum na. Just apply it and bhai लगता ही नहीं कि you're applying serum. I really don't know. It doesn't feel like you're applying something heavy. There's like अपने feeling so light, so light. I could not tell you. So let's talk about the advantages. And basically, of course, I'm using it. So I have a no. It's my first. It's gonna be my first. But people those who are using it, I just talk about their reviews. So basically, of course, the people have talked about that the acne have just vanished, the face and the brightness is all of it. Vitamin C just bring your face like this. So of course, it targets dullness, pigmentation, uneven skin tone, early age signs, dark spot and acne scars, which I really have, open pores, and free radical damage, which I had and still having because I'm acne prone skin, which I really get up into that things. And it's a 5% niacinamide. Basically, I really don't want it 10% because because I wanted कि अभी just आया है. I'm not using from last 3-4 months, so directly I could not go for 10. So I thought if I just go for 5 and then I go for 10. And the formulated without sulfates, parabens, and all that. You're gonna read about that. There's no alcohols. There's no alcohols, no sulfate here. Fragrances nahi hai, essential oils nahi hai. Please guys, go for it. It's a good, really good thing which will make sure that everyone knows that serum plays a vital role in your life, and if not serum, then what? And talking about the moisturizer, ये देखो, oh my god, could you see? Oh my god, भाई साहब, oh my god, let's mix it. I want to tell you about today in this vlog is कौन सा आपको सामान नहीं मंगवाना, which is really bad. हम अच्छी चीज़ों तो बात कर रहे हैं, अब हम इसके बारे में एक बैड चीज़ बताएंगे. एक जो चीज़ मैंने मंगवाई थी which is not good. Could you see the way I'm still bad like that. There's no thing that is going, was like just कुछ हुआ ही नहीं ऐसा. And please order it guys. Go fast, go. It's gonna take time to open it. But in my first episode of skincare haul, so I really wanted to tell you guys, please. नहीं, ये नहीं, ये तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं. Guys, never ever. I'm just gonna apply it and show it to you. I hope it's gonna look. देखो, इसका texture is like, oh my god, I just hate this. भाई इसका टेक्सचर भी इतना गंदा है भाई, इतना गंदा है ना, इतना गंदा है भाई. आई फील लाइक कि आई एम रबिंग द सैंड ऑन माय हैंड भाई, इतना गंदा है. प्लीज नेवर ऑर्डर इट भाई. if someone is getting advantages, please go for it, please. But I'm just telling about my experience. that is भाई बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाता है, थोड़ा सा सर सॉलिड फॉर्म आने लगता है, which is really affecting it. My not liking it. टेकिंग टाइम टू ऑब्जर्व ऑल्सो. भाई हैंड्स एंड फेस में, हम हैंड्स में जाते हैं अगर हम वी आर अप्लाइंग ऑन नेक एंड ऑल दैट, तो वी रियली वांट कि भाई जल्दी ऑब्जर्व हो जाए, क्योंकि नहीं हो पा रहा हमारे पास उतना टाइम है. Or better, I will say go for Dr. Sheath. Oh, my first ever sunscreen I tried in my life was Dr. Sheath. But due to acne prone and oily skin, I really went to Dot Key. This is the Dot Key. And yes, not order this one. Go for another one. I hope you could see it. And this is Dot & Key का face wash or vitamin C super bright gel face wash. I'm gonna open it. Yes, I'm gonna open it. Do I really look like an influencer? No, I wouldn't. Could you see? I hope you could. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my. Why the level of fragrance? Guys, don't feel कि मैं पैसे पा रही हूँ इस चीज़, okay? अब पा रही हूँ तो नहीं बताऊँगी. I'll go and wash my face and then I'll show you कैसा है. मैं जो कराती हूँ then I'll show you. I just want to make a big noise. Go for it. Go for it. if you have really just I'll tell you one of thing, अगर किसी को confusion हो रही है, just let me first of my videos I never talk about the basic name. First, if you see your skin type, go for your skin type. It's normal, it's combination dry, acne prone, acne dry, acne oily, go for your skin. Talk about the several videos are talking about your skin. If you could see mine, so I have a combination, really, like I just popped out with everything. I popped out with acne also in my summers. I popped out with oiliness. I popped out dry. So I went for vitamin C. And really, if you have a combination skin, you like like कि ये एरिया थोड़ा ड्राई रहता है, ये एरिया थोड़ा ऑयली रहता है, या ये एरिया ड्राई होता है, ये वाला एरिया ऑयली होता है, और ये वाला एरिया, तो ये हम कॉम्बिनेशन में पा सकते हो. एक्ने वाले जैसे एक्ने होता ही रहता है, 3-4 निकल रहे हैं, तो ये भाई एक्ने हटा रहा है, सो गो फॉर दैट. और अगर रेडनेस की बात करो तो आई रियली, अगर किसी को चाहिए वीडियो प्लीज़ गो, मेरे को कमेंट करो, आई टॉक अबाउट दैट ऑल्सो. बट लोग कैसे पूछ रहे होंगे कि आपको इतनी जल्दी नॉलेज कैसे हो गया. आई स्टार्टेड माई स्किन केयर जर्नी एट अराउंड 18. सो फ्रॉम दैट आई स्टार्टेड माई, एंड मैंने भाई एज मतलब पॉइंट है, मेरी प्यूबर्टी हिट कर चुकी थी, मैंने जल्दी जल्दी देखा, मीन्स मैंने ट्राई किया सामान को, कौन इफेक्ट किए कौन नहीं इफेक्ट किया, एंड रियली भाई बहुत ही ज़्यादा सही लगा मुझे. एंड आई वेंट फॉर डॉटिन की. भाई फ्रेग्रेंस लेवल इसका जो सीरम्स में नहीं है बट फेस वॉश में है. एंड अगर किसी को कन्फ्यूजन हो रही है अपने फेस के टाइप पे, यू कैन कॉमेंट ऑल्सो अबाउट दैट, आई कुड ऑल्सो हेल्प यू विद दैट. No issues. Let's talk about the next item. This I ordered for my brother because he has a really oily skin. मतलब उसका जो ऑयली स्किन का लेवल है ना, यू कुड सी ऑन हिज फेस इफ ही इज नॉट अप्लाइंग एनीथिंग. गो फॉर अ टिश्यू. मैंने जस्ट फेस वॉश किया आपने, एंड क्या करो, 2 घंटे कहीं हवा एसी कहीं नहीं बैठो, एक नॉर्मल स्टेट पे बैठो जैसे हम आजकल बैठ रहे हैं, एंड देन 2 घंटे के बाद गो फॉर अ टिश्यू लेके जाओ एंड अप्लाई इन दिस पोजीशन एंड दिस पोजीशन एंड दिस पोजीशन. ओके, लेट मी शो यू हाउ टू अप्लाई इट. टेक अ टिश्यू. एक टिश्यू लिया आप लोगों ने, ओके, पार्ट अवे, go for it like this. So you could see that अभी तो भाई मैंने फेस अभी जस्ट वॉश किया, no oiliness. You have to keep it here like this and like this for like this thing, and you have to keep this side and this side and this side. You will get about your really, आपको अपनी नॉलेज हो जाएगी आपको कौन सा टाइप है स्किन का. अगर तभी भी किसी को प्रॉब्लम आ रही है प्लीज़ जस्ट कमेंट में पूछो, I'll just talk to you, or I'll mention my Instagram. You can contact me there also. And yeah, I was talking about this face wash. I ordered it for my brother. He has a oily skin which is ऐसे दिखता है भाई, ऐसे I could see it. So yes, control access oil लिखा है भाई, लिखा है. Control access oil is visible luminous skin, SLS and SALS free, oily and combination skin के लिए. I could also use it. I know I could also use oily and combination skin के लिए. Go for it, oily skin वाले. Let's talk about the price of all of them. I got this for, भाई सेल चल रहा है तो या इसके लिए आई गेस मैंने कम पे किया है, और सबके लिए मैंने अच्छा पे किया है, इसके लिए मैंने कम पे किया है. ये 250 का है. आई पेड अराउंड 200. I have to check the bill, which I really don't have now, but I could see here on the price. Wait for it, 200. तो ये है मेरा 695 का. मैंने इसको 500 में लिया, 595 या चेक कर देती हूँ. 30 में आई जस्ट गॉट दिस प्रोडक्ट. इट्स अ विटामिन सी फेस सीरम, डॉक्टर का सनस्क्रीन. 595 का है ये, 595 का सनस्क्रीन है. एंड चेक मी, आई गॉट इन 500. 495 का ये है. 420 का आई गॉट दी मॉइस्चराइजर. 375 का ये है. आई गॉट अप इन 300. वन मोर थिंग and we're going to end this video. So I'm gonna talk about that कि सीरम को ये वाला टोनर यूज क्यों नहीं करना चाहिए. I'll show you. देख रहे हो भाई, असर ही नहीं कर रहा, दिख ही नहीं रहा कि फेस पे लग रहा है कुछ. क्यों? बिकॉज no, there is nothing bro, no, nothing, no, don't buy it. I'm angry. But I should have tried the Mocha fragrance free toner. Don't go for it. Don't go for it. I want to show you the prettiest thing I got up. I can't hold it. This is the Sia ka. It's a Sia plus niacinamide oil free moisturizer. Those who have oily skin. Let's open it. Oh, it's gel based. It's a gel based. I hope you could see it. It's a gel based. I'm gonna give it to my brother. Could you see it? No, not my lipstick. It's good. भाई आई नो बहुत लोग के सवाल होंगे कि क्या हम सनस्क्रीन से हम स्किन केयर से गोरे होते हैं. No, you cannot become gora. What is this? You have to be regular. You have to be consistent. You have to be consistent for your sunscreen, for your routine. Then only भाई improvement दिखेगा. मेरे जैसे इंसान पे improvement कैसे दिखेगा? जब मैं 1 महीने लगाती हूँ, 2 महीने नहीं लगाती हूँ. But I'm trying to be a regular person. भाई the work balance, work life, I'm trying. And but yeah, एक चीज़ तो बोलूँगी, मैं मॉइस्चराइजर तो कभी स्किप नहीं करती. मॉइस्चराइजर अगर जो स्किप कर दिया, you are bad as hell. Don't skip moisturizer. Moisturizer skip करने से सच में कुछ फेस में नहीं दिखते. मॉइस्चराइजर यूज करो. All of things go, but sunscreen, moisturizer, go for it. Go for it. Last and this is the last thing I showed up, and this is the many things I got. And I want to talk. I want to say thank you so much those who are watching my haul. Really appreciate. And if there's any doubt you're causing in or up in my video, please contact me or comment down. I'll talk. I'll just try to find the solution there. All that I wanted to say. If you wanted to know more about the product, you can also tell me and have a contact. Go on the website. उस पर बहुत अच्छे से detailed way में reviews लिखे हैं, लोगों के बारे में लिखा है. Or if not getting it, so you can contact me because this is my second buy from Dot & Key, which made me a good customer of it. So thank you so much guys. Bye. Love you. And next my skincare will be going to beauty products, makeup products, which I'm gonna share it with you. Okay.